So let's quickly update a bunch of data out of our models using Nitro-CELL. So what I want to do is let's just go in and say get the current list of parameters to a table, and we're going to do it for all of the part files. And the parameter we're interested in is going to be engineered by, and we're going to write that to my table. Okay. So when we run this, it's going to generate a table for us that contains all of the uh, values for every parameter that's found in each model, and it also shows us what the state of that is. So if we wanted to set the state of those, we could actually set state. There's a parameter function for that for tables. And you'll notice here that it's looking for item name, parameter name, and whether it's designated true or false. Now we can actually reuse that table that we just had there before. So I'm going to say table table TBL my table. And I'm going to turn off my create function and my get function because I just want to take the data that's here. And we're going to report this as true. So I'm going to populate this down so that all of my statuses will change. And just for giggles, let's keep this false, false, and let's keep this one false also. So now what I've done is we're gonna turn off the get functions that we had, and we're just gonna read that table and set the value. So when we run this, you notice just that quickly it has gone in and modified things. Now this data hasn't changed; it's still the same table that was before. But now I'm going to turn off the set function, and we're going to just basically clear the table and rewrite it with that same data. So now when we do this, you should see a fresh table written that shows us that in fact the status have changed for everything except for the ones that we left false.